Oatmeal is a nutritious whole grain food that offers a variety of health benefits when included in your diet. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to show your approval of this channel. Let's begin. Here are 12 of the key health benefits of eating oatmeal. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Oatmeal is a good source of essential nutrients, including vitamins, such as vitamin B1, B5, and folate, and minerals, like magnesium, phosphorus, and iron. Number 2. Fiber content. Oatmeal is particularly high in soluble fiber, mainly beta-glucans. This fiber can help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Number 3. Heart health. Regular consumption of oatmeal may contribute to a lower risk of heart disease by reducing blood pressure and improving overall cardiovascular health. Number 4. Blood sugar control. The soluble fiber in oats can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, making it a good choice for individuals with diabetes. Number 5. Weight management. The fiber in oatmeal can help you feel full and satisfied, which may aid in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Number 6. Digestive health. Oatmeal's fiber content promotes healthy digestion and may help prevent constipation. Number 7. Reduced risk of colon cancer. The insoluble fiber in oatmeal may help reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. Number 8. Antioxidant properties. Oats contain antioxidants, such as avenanthramides, which can help protect cells from oxidative damage. Number 9. Improved skin health. The antioxidants in oats can benefit the skin when applied topically in skincare products, and consuming oats may also contribute to healthier skin. Number 10. Source of plant-based protein. Oats are a source of plant-based protein and can be part of a balanced diet for individuals following a vegetarian or vegan lifestyle. Number 11. Gluten-free options. For individuals with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease, gluten-free oats are available and can be part of a gluten-free diet. Number 12. Versatility. Oatmeal is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes, from breakfast porridge to cookies, muffins, and more. When incorporating oatmeal into your diet, it's essential to choose plain oats, steel-cut, rolled, or quick oats, rather than flavored or processed varieties that may contain added sugars and unhealthy ingredients. You can also enhance the nutritional value by adding fruits, nuts, and seeds to your oatmeal. Oatmeal can be a valuable addition to a balanced and healthy diet, contributing to overall well-being and disease prevention. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the health benefits of oatmeal, please share this video with friends and subscribe for more amazing health and wellness content.